The new world you're entering is fast, complex, and full of challenges, but it's also full of opportunity. The opportunity to make a difference every single day. So go forward with courage, with integrity, and with the unshakable belief that what you do matters.
It's been great. Honestly, it's probably the best decision I've made in my military career, which is attending CTC for the cybersecurity program.
I've had about 5 years of prior IT experience before doing this CSP with Central Texas College, and I've never done anything dealing with cybersecurity, so I'm really happy and excited to finish this, and I feel proud.